Welcome to this affirmation meditation for healing and a better life. To begin with, we're going to do a series of 6 deep breaths, starting from the base of the spine and extending up above the head. Tighten all of the muscles from the perineum, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, and inhale deeply all the way up to the very top of the head and a little beyond, and hold it. Relax the other muscles. Let your shoulders down. Sitting up straight, spine vertical, and let it out and relax. Okay, another time, let's do it all the way from the base, all the way to the top. Breathing deeply in, tightening their intrinsic muscles. Filling your lungs completely. Take it up to the top and hold it. Those muscles tight. And exhale and relax. Keep your posture erect. Okay, now number 3. Tighten those base muscles, intrinsic muscles. Slowly inhale. All the way to be full. And hold it. And exhale slowly, letting it out and relax. Okay, now number 4. Starting off with the perineum, tighten it, bring it in, bring in all that air, hold it at the top. Feel the balancing pressures. And slowly exhale and relax. Okay, again, slowly inhaling with your torso tightened. Perineum, lower abdomen, upper abdomen. And slowly exhale and relax. One more time. Give it all you've got. Breathe in from the perineum, tightening perineum, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, breathing all the way in. Slowly filling and hold it. And slowly exhale and relax. The breathing is to reset our mind and to be calm and meditative. So when we go into the chanting session, which is to access the deeper part of our mind at a different frequency, we will be able to fully focus on it. The purpose of this chant is to improve both ourselves and understanding that ourself is everybody else also, in non-duality, in the universal I am. That when we improve ourselves, we improve everything outside of us as well. And so I invite you, after I chant, repeat the chant after me out loud. I am limitless. I am. I am love. I am. I am creative. I am. I am powerful. I am. I am never in the past. I am. I am never in the future. I am. I am eternally present. I am. I am born anew. I am. I am in a new body. I am. I am perfectly healed. I am. I am whole. I am. I am indivisible. I am. I am love. I am. I am eternal. I am. I am unity. I am. I am in the perfect body. I am. I am perfect. I am. I am strong. I am. I am loving. I am. I am harmonious. I am. I am happy. I am. I am fit. I am. I am perfectly healed. I am. I am perfectly sensitive. I am. I am healthy. I am. I am successful. I am. I am in the perfect body. I am. I am sensate. I am. I am healed. I am. I am gentle. I am. I am kind. I am. I am flexible. I am. I am brilliant. I am. I am wise. I am. I am born anew. I am. I am in a new body. I am. I am enlightened. I am. I am joyous. I am. I am at peace. I am. I am protected. I am. I am supported. I am. I am generous. I am. I am beautiful. I am. I am sexy. I am. I am loved. I am. I am radiant. I am. I am calm. I am. I am loved. I am. I am needed. I am. I am helpful. I am. I am fertile. I am. I am born anew. I am. I am in a new body. I am. I am fulfilled. I am. I am potent. I am. I am supportive. I am. I am abundance. I am. I am perfectly timed. I am. I am powerful. I am. I am complete. I am. I am born anew. I am. I am loved. I am. I am loving. I am. I am love. I am. I am eternal. I am. I am unity. I am. I am love. I am. I wishes to thank you in joining in this chant, this prayer, this hope, this manifestation for a better life for I. Blessings. One love.